Navy's massive deal for Boeing anti-submarine aircraft slammed by CAG. National auditor CAG on Tuesday raised questions over a $2.1 billion United States Indian Navy contract awarded to Boeing during the previous UPA regime. Loading. New Delhi, National Auditor CAG on Tuesday raised questions over a $2.1 billion United States Indian Navy contract awarded to Boeing during the previous UPA regime, suggesting the American defense major was favored over rival bidder ADS CASA of Spain for procuring a fleet of P-8I maritime reconnaissance aircraft. In its report tabled in Parliament, the Controller and Auditor General (CAG) said the Defense Ministry enhanced the financial bid of Spanish aerospace firm to provide for a 20-year product support cost on assumption that Boeing's offer had similar provision. Boeing, at a later stage, offered the aircraft maintenance support under a separate negotiable contract, the auditor said, while terming as incorrect the conclusion that the American company was the lowest bidder. L1. It said enhancing the financial bid of the Spanish company by including its product support cost resulted in pushing it to L2 status, second lowest bidder. As per the report, the contract was concluded with Boeing in January 2009 at $2.1 billion United States dollars, about 14,500 crore rupees at the current exchange rate. At a later date, Boeing USA offered the product support under a separate negotiable contract, and consequently the deduced ranking of Boeing USA as L1 turned out to be incorrect, it said. The CAG observed that the American aircraft was not fully meeting the needs of the Indian Navy, mainly due to limitations of radars installed on board the aircraft. The National Auditor said the Defense Ministry had set the offset obligation by Boeing at $641 million United States dollars, 3,127.43 crore rupees. The CAG said Boeing is yet to fulfill the offset obligations, which was to be met by August 2016. Boeing USA had claimed offset credits on replacement of purchase orders, defeating the very purpose of offset obligations, it observed. Under India's offset policy, foreign defense entities are mandated to spend at least 30% of the total contract value in India through procurement of components or setting up of research and development facilities. The 2009 deal was for 8 P-8I Poseidon 8 India aircraft. The first aircraft came to India in May 2013, and all the 8 aircraft have been fully integrated into Indian Navy's operations. The P-8I aircraft is a variant of the P-8A Poseidon aircraft that Boeing developed as a replacement for the U.S. Navy's aging P-3 fleet. Indian Navy became the first international customer for the aircraft, which is equipped for long-range anti-submarine warfare, anti-surface warfare and surveillance. The CAG also criticized delays in procuring bombs as part of the weapons for the aircraft.